everybody, it's Ms McKenzie, and today I am here in Washington State, and I am in the Wenatchee-Okanagan National Forest, and I'm at a lake called Myrtle Lake. I backpacked into this lake, and I've been backpacking here for 20 years since I was 7 years old. When I backpack, that means that I carry a really heavy pack with all the things I would need for camping. So I carry my tent, my sleeping bag, food, a stove to cook food, a water filter, a headlamp, warm clothes for the nighttime. While I'm here, I thought I would show you how to make a nature mandala. Mandalas are a style of art that are oftentimes circular and have a really cool pattern involved in them. People have been making mandala art for a long time. Here are some examples. Today, since I'm making a nature mandala, I'm using all materials that I found out here. The materials that I'm using today are pine cones, some bracken ferns, these, which I'm not sure what they are called, but they are from the same plant, and these purple flowers, and some pumice rock, which is volcanic rock that came from Glacier Peak when it erupted thousands of years ago. And it's actually really cool because this is rock that floats in water. And I also might use the branch of a fir tree. So these are what I have found so far. Maybe while I'm making it, I will find some more materials. One thing that's really important is that all of the plants that I'm using for my mandala today, I picked only because there were a lot of them. So if I only found one flower of a certain beautiful plant like this one, I'm not going to use it because it's the only one. But the ones I'm using, there were a ton of different plants and flowers all around. And I tried to gather materials that had a lot of color to make the mandala even more beautiful. Okay, so I've brought all my materials over to the area that I decided to make my mandala. And while I was bringing my materials over here, I saw this mushroom. And I don't know what kind of mushroom it is, but I'm just going to leave it planted in the ground, and that's going to be the center point of my mandala, because you might notice in a lot of the mandala art, they all have a center point. Okay, I'm going to start creating my mandala. And as I'm making it, I might change the placement of some things. I'm just going to start building it and see what happens. Okay, here is my finished mandala. This is the pattern that I came up with. It's all circling around a mushroom. And it goes out. There are a lot of fun things you can do with materials you find in nature. You can make nature mandalas, or maybe you can find rocks and sticks to write your name, or maybe you can make a face of somebody and you could use some really silly tree branches as their hair. The ideas are endless. I would love to see if you come up with any creations, and I hope that you have fun outside exploring and enjoying nature. Bye everybody!